A quick, tasty, and healthy snack, Paneer Tikka. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today I am sharing Paneer Tikka recipe which takes hardly 30 minutes to prepare and it is perfect for after school snack. If you love paneer, this recipe is for you. So let's start the recipe. To prepare Paneer Tikka, our main ingredient is paneer, and here I have half a kg of paneer block, and we are going to cut some thin slices of paneer, little less than 1 centimeter. And you can cut the paneer slices according to your choice. You can cut it in cubes, triangle, rectangle. According to paneer block, it depends how convenient it is. And because I have a big block of paneer, so I'm cutting the paneer pieces into rectangle, and which is again you should cut it in a size which is easily you can pick and eat. It can be hand picked or fork. So here I am cutting paneer slices into rectangle. All our paneer slices are ready, so now we are going to work on our marination. And just for the reference, half a kg of paneer is good for 5 to 6 people. And for marination as a base, here I am using yogurt. And I'm using store-bought yogurt, but you can make this with homemade yogurt. So here I'm taking around 3 to 4 big tablespoons of yogurt and only the thick part of the yogurt. You need to avoid the watery part of the yogurt. And into goes, for color, little bit of turmeric powder, a little more than half a teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder, almost half teaspoon of coriander powder, which is coriander, cumin and black pepper mix, salt according to taste, and here I am adding 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour. And into goes our Siracha seasoning. Sriracha seasoning works really well with paneer tikka, but if you don't have Sriracha seasoning, then you should add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, around half a teaspoon each, and some red chili flakes. So I've added here 1.5 teaspoon of Sriracha seasoning, half teaspoon of chaat masala, and around 1 tablespoon of oil. And mix everything well. If you feel that your paste is too thick, your marination is too thick, then here I'm adding some yogurt water. You can add some water from yogurt or you can add some simple plain water. Your marination shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be just enough thick that you can coat the paneer nicely. And here I'm coating the paneer nicely. Just marinate the paneer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And while our paneer is marinating, I'm going to add some veggies, which is completely optional. So I have some different color bell pepper, which I'm going to add, and some onion. So just taking some big chunks of different color of bell pepper, it really tastes well and goes with the paneer, but it is completely optional. You can just make the paneer tikka as it is and enjoy. So here I have my veggies are ready, and now we can go ahead and prepare our paneer tikka. To make the paneer tikka, I have chosen a tawa, but you can make this on pan as well. Just if it is a non-stick, it's better. So just sprinkle some oil and then cook the paneer on medium heat for at least 1 to 2 minutes on one side. Let the paneer cook one side at least for 2 minutes, and in between sprinkle some oil on the top, and then you can flip over the paneer. You can turn the paneer to cook on the other side. It hardly takes 2 minutes each, and your paneer, as paneer cooks really fast, and it takes around 4 to 5 minutes for one batch of paneer to be done. So it really gets done really quickly. So as you can see, the paneer color has starts to change, and so paneer gets softened. So now this is the time you can take the paneer out. And as I'm pressing as you can see, the paneer is really soft, so you can take it out now. Similarly, we are going to cook all the paneer, and the reason I chose tawa because it has a broader section to work with, and you can prepare all the paneer tikka really quickly in 1 to 2 batches. And once all our paneer is on the tawa, then whatever marination is left, we are going to add the veggies into it. Really give a quick mix, and it doesn't take long for the veggies to cook. It needs a little bit of crunch as well, so it hardly takes 4 to 5 minutes. So as the paneer is getting cooked, this just add all the veggies into marination, mix it well, and then cook the veggies on the tawa itself. It takes roughly 4 to 5 minutes for the veggies to cook, and it really goes well with the paneer. And as you can see, our paneer is nice and soft. It's really the way it should be. You can start eating as it's getting ready, and it really tastes well. I hope you're going to give it a try. If you have Siracha seasoning, it really adds a tons of flavor into paneer. To cook the veggies, just sprinkle some oil and cook on medium heat and keep turning around. It hardly takes 4 to 5 minutes, and little undercooked veggies are even better because it has little crunch on it and it goes really well with paneer. So I hope you are going to give it a try, and do like this video if you like it, and subscribe to our channel, and you have plenty more videos similar to that on our channel. So thank you for watching.